Hello everyone! For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the top and then tie a rubber band to it at the back. Divide the section into two parts. Taking the left section first, start with the braid. As you progress with the braid, this is the left hand side braid, so take sections from the left side of the scalp and then include it into your braid. Add in a section on almost every level of your braid. Once you reach the bottom of this, you may add a rubber band to it. Now, do the same on the right side of your braid as well. Remove the clip that you have put that is stopping the right side from falling down and join them together after your braid. Add a star clip. Next, take a section of the hair from the left side and then begin to braid it. As you progress with the braid, you may take sections of the hair from the rest of the scalp as well. This case, the right side of the hair. As you are slowly imbibing more and more sections from the right side of the scalp, this braid is likely to shift towards the right side. You may start off by putting the braid really tightly but then use your fingers to loosen some of the strands. To repeat the process of the steps while you are making the braid, include portions of the hair from the right side of the scalp into your braid. That is, only into the right side of the braid. Now, once you reach the bottom or once you reach till wherever length you want to attain, you may add a rubber band to it. After you have added your rubber band, you may add a decorative clip or you could just add a decorative rubber band. We have chosen to use a star clip. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the top of the head, then tie a rubber band to it at the back. Once you have tied the rubber band, take another section from the left side, make a division in the initial tie-up and then pull it through. Do the same on the right side as well. Repeat this process until the rubber band is full and can no longer take strands of hair. This should come to about 3 or 4 more times. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the top and then tie a rubber band to it. Divide the bottom portion into 2 parts and then clip up the left side. Then, taking the right division, start off by taking another section of the hair from the right side and then make a knot out of it. Make sure that this knot is tight. Now repeat the step, taking more and more sections from the right side of the head. It should look like a braid like this. Repeat the step 3 or 4 more times. Now unpin the left side of the head and repeat the same process. Start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side and then make a knot using your left side division. Once again, take another section and make another knot. As you progress, the volume of your hair should increase as such. Keep repeating this step until 3 or 4 more times and then join both these braids in the center. Add a decorative clip. For our next hairdo, start off by adding a clip to the middle of the hair. Take a section of the hair from the top and then make it into 2 divisions and twist them together. Insert this into the center of the clip. Now take a section of the hair from the left side, divide it into 2 portions and once more twist it. Insert this into the right side. Repeat this step, but this time insert it into the left side of the clip. This is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.